This is a large detached house in a quiet street close to the centre of the village. You can walk to schools and shops, and the train station is only 1.5 kilometres away. Last year, there was some building work which made the study and the dining room bigger, and the owners made the attic into an extra bedroom. So the total area of the house is now about 150 square metres. Before, it was only 120 square metres. The house has 4 bedrooms, so it's a good size for a family with children. The largest bedroom has a private bathroom. One of the other bedrooms has a private shower room, and the other 2 bedrooms have lots of cupboards. On the ground floor, apart from the hall, the study and the dining room, there's a lounge and a very big kitchen. There isn't a large garden at the front of the house, but there's a very pleasant, large, sunny garden at the back of the house, where you can have barbecues in the summer. You can get to the garden through glass doors from the lounge. There's no garage, but there's enough space to park 2 cars on the road at the front of the house. The owners have spent a lot of money on the house over the years and kept it in very good condition, so they're hoping to sell it for about €350,000. I agree, and I think this is a very good. Interested in this house and would like to see it, the viewing times are Monday to Thursday between 9:30 a.m. and 5:30 p.m. and Saturday from 10 a.m. until 4 p.m. I'm afraid it isn't possible to see the house on Fridays or Sundays. If you'd like to see the house, you should call Mark Smith on 0073 591021. If Mark isn't available, you should ask for Amanda Spears. That's SPEIRS. She'll also be able to make the arrangements for you. Amanda's quite often out of the office, so I'll give you her mobile phone number. It's 1994 625873. Both Mark and Amanda will also be happy to answer your questions. They can take your personal details and suggest other houses and flats which might be of interest to you. If you prefer, you can visit one of our offices. Our main office, where you can find Mark and Amanda, is right in the centre of Chesterford, at 279 Manor Road. That's Manor, MANOR. I'll give you the postcode as well. It's CD3 9AG. But we also have another office at 35 Market Street, and the postcode there is CD5 7EJ.